Picture this. You're sitting at your desk, eyes glued to the screen, scrolling through endless emails, social media feeds, and binge-watching your favorite series. Sound familiar? In today's digital age, our eyes are working harder than ever, facing the constant strain of screen time. But that's not all. As we age, our eyes naturally go through changes that can impact our vision. The good news is there are steps we can take to support our eye health and maintain crystal clear vision for years to come. In this eye-opening video, we'll uncover the secrets to keeping your eyes in tip-top shape. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this enlightening journey to boost and safeguard your precious windows to the world. Welcome to Health BFF. Our eyes are remarkable organs that grant us the gift of vision, allowing us to perceive the world around us. However, like any part of our body, they are susceptible to a range of conditions and illnesses. Mother Nature has blessed us with an abundance of superfoods that can work wonders for our eyes and support vision. Get ready to discover the fascinating world of eye health and unlock the keys to sharp, vibrant vision. Number 1. Carrots, the ultimate vision warriors. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a pigment that the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for the production of rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that helps with vision in low-light conditions. Consuming carrots can help maintain healthy levels of vitamin A, supporting good night vision and overall eye health. Enjoy carrots as a snack by slicing them into sticks and dipping them in hummus or your favorite healthy dip. You can also add grated carrots to salads or include them in roasted vegetable medleys. Number 2. Spinach, Popeye's favorite for a reason. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants known as carotenoids. These compounds accumulate in the macula of the eye and act as a natural filter protecting the retina from harmful blue light. Lutein and zeaxanthin also help reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a condition that causes central vision loss. Add fresh spinach leaves to your salads, sandwiches, or wraps. You can also saute spinach with garlic and olive oil as a simple side dish, or include it in smoothies for a nutritional boost. Number 3. Salmon, a true vision superhero. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the eyes and support optimal retinal function. Consuming omega-3 fatty acids from sources like salmon may help lower the risk of developing AMD and dry eye syndrome. Include salmon in your meals by grilling, baking, or poaching it. Serve it with steamed vegetables and whole grains for a well-rounded meal. Canned salmon can also be used to make delicious salads or sandwiches. Number 4. Blueberries, tiny but mighty. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants including vitamin C and E, as well as anthocyanins. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress can contribute to the development of various eye conditions, such as cataracts and AMD. The anthocyanins in blueberries also support healthy blood vessels in the eyes, promoting good circulation and reducing the risk of eye diseases. Snack on fresh blueberries as they are, or add them to yogurt oatmeal or smoothies. They also make a great addition to salads or can be used as a topping for pancakes or waffles. Number 5. Almonds, the eye's crunchy companion. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect cells in the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E also helps improve blood circulation to the eyes, ensuring they receive adequate oxygen and nutrients for optimal functioning. Including almonds in your diet can contribute to overall eye health and protect against age-related vision problems. Enjoy a handful of almonds as a snack, or mix them with dried fruits for a homemade trail mix. You can also sprinkle sliced almonds on top of salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for added crunch and nutrition. Number 6. Oranges, the zesty vision boosters. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Adequate vitamin C intake supports the strength and integrity of the blood vessels, reducing the risk of conditions like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Vitamin C also has antioxidant properties that help neutralize harmful free radicals and protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Incorporate oranges into your diet by enjoying them as a refreshing snack, squeezing fresh orange juice, or adding orange segments to salads or fruit bowls. You can also use orange zest to enhance the flavor of various dishes. Number 7. Bell peppers, the colorful eye defenders. Bell peppers, especially the brightly colored ones, are abundant in vitamin A, which is essential for good vision. Vitamin A supports the health of the cornea, the transparent front part of the eye, and promotes optimal night vision. Including bell peppers in your diet can help maintain healthy eyes and reduce the risk of vision problems. Include bell peppers in stir-fries, grilled vegetable skewers, or as a crunchy addition to salads. You can also stuff them with a flavorful filling and bake them for a delicious and nutritious meal. Number 8. Eggs are a nutrient-rich food for the eyes. They contain vitamin A, lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, which are all vital to eye health. Vitamin A safeguards the cornea. Lutein and zeaxanthin lower the chance of getting serious eye conditions like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Zinc contributes to the health of the retina, which is the back of the eye, and helps eyes see at night. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast by making scrambled eggs or omelets loaded with vegetables. Hard-boiled eggs make a convenient snack, and you can also use eggs as a protein-rich ingredient in salads or sandwiches. Number 9. Sweet potatoes, the eye's sweet delight. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy eye tissue and supporting good vision. Adequate vitamin A intake from sources like sweet potatoes can help prevent night blindness, promote healthy tear production, and support overall eye health. Bake sweet potatoes and enjoy them as a side dish or stuffed with your favorite fillings. You can also make sweet potato fries, mash them, or add them to soups and stews for extra flavor and nutrients. Number 10. Broccoli, the eye's green machine. Broccoli contains a variety of eye protective nutrients, including lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin C, and vitamin E. These antioxidants work together to reduce the risk of eye diseases such as cataracts and AMD. The nutrients in broccoli help combat oxidative stress, support healthy blood vessels in the eyes, and promote optimal eye health. Steam or roast broccoli florets and serve them as a side dish. You can also add broccoli to stir-fries, pasta dishes, or omelettes. Blending cooked broccoli into soups or incorporating it into casseroles are other tasty options. Number 11. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that offers numerous benefits for eye health. It is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that accumulate in the macula of the eye and help protect against harmful blue light and oxidative stress. These antioxidants also play a crucial role in reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Kale is also a good source of vitamin C, which helps maintain the health of blood vessels in the eyes and supports collagen production for the cornea. Number 12. Meat can support eye health through its nutritional components. Lean beef is a good source of zinc, which is an essential mineral for eye health. Zinc is found in high concentrations in the retina and plays a crucial role in maintaining proper functioning of the visual system. It aids in the production of melanin, a pigment that protects the eyes from harmful ultraviolet UV light. Poultry such as chicken and turkey provides high-quality protein, which is important for the maintenance and repair of eye tissues. Protein is necessary for the production of collagen, a structural component of the cornea, and other eye structures. It also plays a role in the production of antibodies and enzymes that support the immune system, helping to protect the eyes from infections and inflammation. Incorporating these foods into your diet can provide a range of nutrients and antioxidants that support the health of your eyes and help protect against age-related vision problems. However, it's important to note that a balanced diet, regular eye checkups, and a healthy lifestyle are all crucial for maintaining optimal eye health. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional or eye specialist regarding any specific questions or concerns you may have about your eye health. Thank you for joining us on Health BFF. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, and we're here to be your best friend on this wellness adventure. Stay tuned for more empowering content, and until next time, stay healthy and be well.